Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to share your location on Instagram. Whether you want to tag a place in your post, share your live location in a chat, or add a location to your story, Instagram makes it super simple. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First step is to share location in post. Open Instagram, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Select your photo or video. Let me go with this one. And then tap next at the top right. Do all the editing that you want to do and tap next at the bottom right. Now on the final screen, tap add location. And here search for the place you want to tag and then tap on it. And when you publish the post, the location will appear under your username. Second step, share location in stories. So when making a story, again, let me go with this picture. Tap the sticker icon at the top. Select the location sticker. And again, search or pick a suggested location. Let me go with this one. Then place the sticker anywhere on your story. Post it and your followers will see where you are. Third step is to share live location in DMs. For that, go to Instagram direct messages and open the chat of the person you want to share with. Let me go with this one. Now tap the plus icon or sticker icon in the chat. Then select location. And from here, share your location. Then your friend will be able to see your real-time location for the time you allow. And that's it. Now you know how to share your location on Instagram through posts, stories, and direct messages. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.